Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you all controls and gestures for the headphones Skullcandy Grind. Before starting, I wanna say that I customize some gestures, so I add for a triple tap some gestures I will show it to you later, and for a 1 second hold also. So let's test it. Let's go here. So now, if you press one time on your right earbud, you will play and pause the song. So let's starting. I press one time and I should pause the song. Can I? Yeah, as you can see, it's some bug maybe. So yeah, I'm just pressing one time and I pause the song, and if I press again, I will play the song. If I press 2 times on my left earbud, I will increase the volume. And let's go again. Here we go. If I press 2 times on my left earbud, I will lower the volume. And again. Here we go. Now, if I press 3 times on my right earbud, I will play next track. And if I press 3 times on my left earbud, I will play previous track. Here we go. Now, if I press 1 time on my left earbud, I will call a Siri. As you can see, it works. And what the best? If we go to camera and we just press and hold for 1 second, you will take a photo. And as you can hear, I make a photo. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.